You know, when you get a Renault, you're not just getting a car to get from A to B, right? It's about that special mix of cool French style and solid engineering. It's supposed to be an experience. But here's the real question. Are you really getting that experience every time you get behind the wheel? Because all those things we love, that smooth ride, the reliability, they don't just happen by magic. They need to be looked after. Or they can just kind of fade away. All right, so here's what we're going to dive into. We'll start with your Renault's blueprint, then talk about protecting your warranty, keeping up performance and safety, how to avoid big costs down the line, and how to boost your car's value. And then we'll wrap it all up with the smart owner's takeaway. Okay, let's kick things off with Section 1, your Renault's blueprint. And think of this less like a chore list and more like the official game plan, straight from the people who actually built your car. It's their plan to keep it running great for a long, long time. And the absolute heart of that game plan is something you've probably heard called logbook servicing. So what is it exactly? Well, simply put, it's the official maintenance schedule from Renault. It's their playbook, telling you exactly what needs to be checked and when to keep your car in tip-top shape. Okay, so why bother with this playbook? Let's jump into Section 2 for the first and most immediate payoff. Protecting your warranty. This is a big deal, especially if you've got a newer car. And the first benefit? Oh, it's a big one. We're talking about your warranty. Following that logbook is your #1 way to keep it safe and sound. So how does that work? Well, your warranty pretty much depends on you following the manufacturer's rules. A proper logbook service does exactly that. It means they're using the right parts, the right procedures, and, this is key, it creates an official paper trail proving you've done your part. That simple record can save you from a world of headache and out-of-pocket expenses for things that should be covered. All right, let's move on to Section 3. This is about the stuff you can actually feel every time you're behind the wheel. Performance and safety. This is all about being able to drive with total confidence. First, performance. I mean, a Renault is engineered to be this finely tuned machine, right? Well, logbook servicing is how you keep it that way. It's how you make sure you're getting that zippy, efficient drive you fell in love with in the first place. So what are we talking about here? We're talking about the big stuff. The engine, the brakes, the transmission, the suspension. A service makes sure all these core parts are working together in harmony. And the result for you? Not just better performance, but you'll probably save a bit on fuel too. Who doesn't want that? And look, performance is great, but it means absolutely nothing without safety. That's the one thing you can never compromise on, and regular servicing is, without a doubt, your best friend here. The whole point here is catching things early. A good mechanic can spot that your brake pads are getting thin or your fluid levels are a bit low way before it becomes a real problem. It's about finding those little issues before they have a chance to turn into big, dangerous failures. That's what really cuts down the risk of a breakdown or, even worse, an accident. Now, let's shift gears a bit. Section 4. This is where we talk money. It's time to start thinking about maintenance not as a cost, but as a seriously smart financial move. It really comes down to a simple choice. On one hand, you have preventative care, small, predictable things like an oil change. On the other hand, you have the alternative. And if you skip that simple oil change, you could be staring down the barrel of serious engine damage. We're talking about turning a small, manageable cost into a massive, wallet-busting repair bill. Okay, Section 5. Let's look down the road a bit. Because one day, you might want to sell your Renault or trade it in for an upgrade, and that's when all this care really pays off. And this quote just hits the nail on the head. A logbook full of service stamps isn't just a bunch of paper, it's proof. It tells a potential buyer the story of a well-loved, well-maintained car. And that story gives them confidence, which makes them willing to pay more. Simple as that. And you can see it right here. The connection is just so clear. A car with a complete, documented service history, that's a sure bet for a buyer, so it commands the highest price. Start getting gaps in that history and the value drops. No history at all? Well, a buyer's just going to assume the worst and the price absolutely plummets. And that brings us to our final takeaway here. Let's wrap all these ideas up into one clear strategy for making sure you and your Renault have a long and happy life together. The key thing to remember is that these aren't just separate benefits on a checklist. They're all connected. Protecting your warranty helps maintain performance. Good performance is linked to safety. Being safe prevents costly repairs.
And all of that together boosts your resale value and ultimately makes your car last longer. It's a complete system.
So look, if you remember one thing from all this, make it this. Regular servicing is not an expense. It is the single best investment you can possibly make in your Renault's future.
So I'll just leave you with this question. When that day finally comes and you decide to sell your car, what story is that logbook going to tell? Is it going to be a story of question marks and uncertainty, or a story of meticulous care and undeniable value? You get to write that story, starting now.